hojii waaqayyoo ilaala inni Solomoon hin caala.
Kunoo ani wanta haaraa nan godha jedha Waaqayyo Isaayaas 43:19 irratti. Baga bara haaraa 2024 nagaan geessan. Yoo jaalala Waaqayyoo ta'e konferansiin keenya hafuuraa gaafa Jaanuwaarii 6-7 hin gaggeeffannaa. Kanaaf eebba kanarratti akka hirmaattaniif kabajaan isin affeerreerra eebbifamaa Waaqayyo isin haa eebbisu.
Hojii waaqayyoo ilaala inni Solomoon hin caala.
Celebrate the arrival of 2024. Join us at our spiritual conference on January 6th and 7th. Your presence is a waiting for a truly blessed experience. See you Saturday night.
Hojii waaqayyoo ilaala inni Solomoon hin caala.
Welcome the new year with joy. Join us for our transformative spiritual conference on January 6th and 7th. Attend and embrace blessings that await you. The Lord says in Revelation 21, "Behold, I am making all things new." The Lord will make new things for us. See you on January 6th.
Hojii waaqayyoo ilaala inni Solomoon hin caala.
Greetings, Happy New Year. We hope your new year is going well and filled with God's presence so far. Psalm 65:11 says, "You crown the year with your bounty, and your carts overflow with abundance." Join us January 6th to 7th to freshly start our new years and welcome the Lord into ours. As usual, it will be held at the Oromo Evangelical Church of Seattle. See you then.
Hojii waaqayyoo ilaala inni Solomoon hin caala.
Wishing you a joyful new year. Join us for our spiritual conference on January 6th through 7th and experience blessings and inspiration. The Lord says, "Remember not the former things, nor consider the things of old. Behold, I am doing a new thing." Isaiah 43:18-19. Can't wait to see you January 6th.